In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents to your WordPress posts. If you've ever wanted to enhance your reader's experience by making your longer posts more navigable, a table of contents is a fantastic tool to do just that. Not only does it make your content more accessible, it also improves reader engagement by allowing them to easily jump to the sections that interest them the most. First, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, we need to look for the Plugins section, which you'll find on the left-hand side menu. Click on Plugins, and from the drop-down, select Add New. This will take you to the WordPress plugin repository, a vast library of plugins ready to be installed. Now, in the search bar at the top right, type in Table of Contents. You'll find several options, but two reliable ones you might consider are Easy Table of Contents or Table of Contents Plus. These plugins are popular and well-reviewed, which is crucial, as you want one that's stable and widely used. After browsing through your options, choose a plugin that has a good rating and a substantial number of active installations. This is an important step because a high number of active users often indicates a more reliable plugin that is regularly updated and supported. Once you've made your choice, click on the Install Now button. After the installation completes, you'll notice that the button text changes to Activate, so go ahead and click on that as well. With the plugin now activated, the next step is to configure its settings. This is where you can customize how your table of contents will appear in your posts. Depending on the plugin you've chosen, its settings might be found in a slightly different location. However, if you've opted for the Easy Table of Contents plugin, for example, you can find its settings by navigating to the Settings section on your dashboard and then selecting Table of Contents from the submenu. In the plugin settings, you can configure various options to tailor the table of contents to suit your specific needs. These options typically include the ability to set which heading levels you'd like to appear in your table of contents, choosing the style or theme of the table, and deciding whether to auto-insert the table in your posts or allow manual placement. Take your time to explore these settings and adjust them according to your preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully added a table of contents to your WordPress posts, enhancing their accessibility and user-friendliness. With this simple addition, you'll make it easier for your readers to navigate your content, ultimately leading to a more engaging and satisfying experience on your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.